Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are from the group 6 and here I will discuss vocabulary material about nouns, verb, and adjective forming and also the example. The book South Korea by our lecturer Miss Iin Rahmawati and our the topic is called verb, nouns, adjective, derivative, gerund, forming adjective from other adjective and forming adjective from noun and verb. And this member, this is Arifatul Kamirah as speaker 1 and Zainal Abidin as speaker 2 and Badru Soleh as speaker 3, Bagas Bayu Firmansa as speaker 4, and the last one Farida speaker 5. Okay, listen to our explanation. I just invite the by speaker 1. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arifatul Kamila. I'm as the first speaker. Here I will explain about verb, noun, and adjective. The first, a verb. A verb is a word that describes any action, condition, or experience. In Indonesia, a verb is often called kata kerja because a verb shows activity from the subject in a sentence. Example: dance, learn, listen, walk, talk, and etc. The second, noun. Noun is a word denoting the name of a person, a place name, or the name of an object or of anything that is materialism. Example: table, bottle, curtain, wall, hand, and etc. The third, adjective. Adjective is a word that modifies a noun or a pronoun, usually by explaining it or making it more specific. An adjective can describe a word's quantity, content, or their quality and emphasis. Example: beautiful, amazing, awesome, handsome, and etc. These are the paragraph from vocabulary books. The red color is noun, yellow is verb, and green is adjective. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zainal Abidin. I am the second speaker of Group C. In here, I wanna explanation about derivative. What is derivative? Derivative in English are the formation of new words from existing words. The poem is a basic word that changes its meaning when we add a prefix, infix, or suffix to an existing word. This change in meaning can be from an adverb to a noun or vice versa. There are three kinds of derivative. The first, prefix. Prefix is the addition of an affix to the first syllable of root word. For example, an adjective becomes a verb. From the word large becomes enlarged. The second, infix. Infix is the formation of new word by adding a syllable in the middle of a word. For example, cups full. The example sentence is, please give me cups full of coffee. The third, suffix. Suffix is the process of forming a new word by adding a syllable at the end of the word. For example, verb becomes noun. From word play becomes player.
Halo friend, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to explain about the material of today. Before I explain about material of today, let me introduce myself. My name is Badru Soleh. I'm from Telagah Galis Bangkalan. My NEM 21355111041. Okay? Yes, sir. For today, I will be explaining about gerund. What is gerund? Gerunds are verbs that are nouns by adding ing. The methods verb 1 plus ing, such as speaking, shopping, hiking, etc. The gerund can take position as the subject, the object of the sentence, after preposition, or as modifier of the noun. Gerund adalah verb yang dirubah menjadi kata benda dengan menambahkan ing. Verb 1 plus ing. Seperti speaking, asalnya speak tambah ing jadi speaking, artinya pembicaraan. Gerund letaknya bisa menjadi subjek, object of the sentence, setelah preposition atau menjadi modifier of the noun. Contoh-contohnya, dining etiquette can be traced to the Jason period. And after discussing about the food, the next we will look for about gerund, the example in the books South Korea, and I hope you can understand with my explanation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Bagas Bayu Firmansyah. I wanna reading speaker 4. An adjective is formed from another adjective by adding suffix like sly, if, all, is, ear, its. Some example of adjective formed from another adjective are used in the sentence below. The sky was reddish in the evening. My brother is funnier than I expected him to be. All of those Korean dining etiquettes come from Joseon period are no longer being used in the modern era, although some of the local people still use it in order to appreciate the eclair. Some families in Korea who are still holding on their traditional culture then serve the eclair first before the youngers. However, during the modern era, young parents are no longer use the kind of culture where young people and old people can eat together in one table. They are also serving themselves Hanseung 2016. Nowadays, some of the Korean traditional dishes such as tteokbokki, raboki, ramyeon, bibimbap, and many others have popularly served in some restaurants all over the world, including in Indonesia. In Indonesia, even those Korean food, beverage, and snacks are not only being served in fancy restaurants or cafe, but people can also find it everywhere, such as in the food stall, food court, and even find it homemade. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Forming adjective. Adjective can be formed from nouns, verb, and other adjective. We can form adjective from noun by adding suffix a to noun. The adjective that are formed by adding suffix is ye or al or il as a. Suffix are given below in the table. For example, forming adjective from noun, this is cultural. Cultural including forming adjective from noun. Why? Because the adjective that are formed by adding suffix al. So the example above that I got from the vocabulary book includes forming adjective from noun because and with the suffix al. Culture, this is cultural. Okay, next this is forming adjective from verb, and for example the two, this is becoming. Why becoming? Including forming adjective from verb. Why? Because the adjectives that are forming by adding suffix ing. So the example above that I got from the vocabulary book include forming adjective from verb because and with the suffix ing. Become, this is becoming. And the last one, iconic. This is including forming adjective from verb. Why? Because the adjectives that are formed by adding suffix AC. So, the example above that I got from vocabulary book includes forming adjective from verb because and with the suffix is. Iconic, this is icon, this is iconic. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I, as the moderator here, represent Group 6. I want to apologize. Sorry if there are mistakes in word or sentence that cannot be understood from our group. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.